Bakit double-edged? Kasi, syempre, nandun talaga yung tendency na trial by publicity talaga yung nangyayari. At as you know now, we have social media. Hindi katulad ng mga previous impeachments. Now, we have social media. So, ibang opinion ang marinig mo.
Itong impeachment, without going into the merits,
Of course.
alam naman natin, of course, it's a matter of great public interest.
Opo.
So, lahat ng facets yan is covered by media. Sa iyong opinion, as a lawyer, yun bang televised o publicized ang trial, does it help the defense? Does it harm the defense? Or does it help the prosecution or harm the prosecution?
You know, I hope you don't think this is a safe answer, no? But kasi ito yung totoong nasa isip ko. Double-edged kasi na highly publicized ang isang trial. Bakit siya, why does it help? Kasi gusto nating maipakita sa taong bayan, sa mga Pilipino, na walang basehan yung naging mga paratang aligasyon laban sa Vice Presidente for the past, I don't know, 2-3 years. No?
Yes.
But bakit double-edged? Kasi, syempre, nandun talaga yung tendency na trial by publicity talaga yung nangyayari. At as you know now, we have social media. Hindi katulad ng mga previous impeachments. Now, we have social media. So, ibang opinion ang marinig mo. There are more legal experts than lawyers in the country right now. Diba? So, ang daming iba-ibang opinion na marinig mo.
Marami mga attorney Google ngayon.
So, syempre, we're also very cautious and conscious of that. That's why I think it's very important na aside from the social media, tayo, bilang mga abogado, we don't blur the lines. Whether ano ang kulay mo sa politika, let's be objective when we talk about the law sa taong bayan para ma-explain natin na mabuti. That's why I'm saying it's double-edged. Kasi una, mapapaliwanag mo sa tao, yes, pero kailangan naman talaga ng transparency. Pero pangalawa, medyo masasubject talaga ang isang respondent, katulad ng isang akusado, sa trial by publicity. So we're very conscious of that.
Yan. Importante yung transparency. Kaso may isang kaibigan ko, advocate siya ng transparency, but for women's clothing daw. Anyway.
Ay, nako. Attorney
Sino kaya
talaga.
itong kaibigan niyo na to?